Hi all, in previous video we have discussed till question number 10 of chapter 15 probability. Today we will start from question number 11. So question is, Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fishes and 8 female fishes. What is the probability that the fish taken out is male fish? All right. So to find, first of all, we will find the total number of outcomes, because probability is what? Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So total number of outcomes will be number of male fishes plus number of female fishes. So how many male fishes are there? 5. And how many female fishes are there? 8. So that are total 13. Alright. So our total number of outcomes are 13. Now what we are favoring? We have to find the probability of fish taken out is a male fish. So we have to find the probability of male fish. It means the favorable cases will be the number of male fishes. So that are 5. So probability of male fish will be 5 divided by total number of fishes are 30. So this is the probability of male fish. Next question is question number 12. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8, and there are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will be point at 8? Second, we have to calculate probability of an odd number. Third, we have to calculate is a number greater than 2, probability of a number greater than 2. And the fourth is probability of a number less than 9. So, out of 8 numbers, an arrow can point any of the numbers in 8 ways. So, total number of elementary events will be 8. So, total number of elementary events are 8. Now, there is only 1 8 on the spinning plant, or you can say on the spinner. So favorable number of outcomes, since we are finding the probability to come an 8. So favorable number of outcomes are 1 and total number of outcomes are 8. So probability will be, arrow points at 8 will be 1 upon 8. Next we have to calculate the probability of an odd number. Now you can see we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now from these the odd numbers are 1. 1 is the odd number. 3 is the odd number. 5 is the odd number and 7 is the odd number. So favorable cases will be 4. That is favorable cases will be 4. That is odd numbers 1, 3, 5 or 7. So probability of an odd number will be number of favorable cases divided by the total number of cases. So number of favorable cases are 4 here. We will divide it by 8 because total number of cases are 8 and we will reduce it to the lowest. So we will cut it in the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Next we have to calculate probability of a number greater than 2. Now again you will see we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And we have to calculate the probability of a number greater than 2. So if we see greater than 2, all these numbers are greater than 2. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So favorable cases will be 6. Total outcomes will be 8 and probability will be 6 divided by 8. And we will cut it in the table of 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. We will reduce it to the lowest value. Alright. Next and the last of question number 12 is a number less than 9. So you can see all numbers are less than 9. So our favorable outcomes are also 8 and total outcomes are also 8. So as we have already discussed, the probability of a certain event is 1. Alright, so 8 divided by 8, that is equal to 1. Next question is question number 13. A die is thrown once. First I will show you a dice. This is a dice. You can see in a single throw of a dice, there are total number of outcomes or total possible outcomes are 6, because in a dice only it could 1 dot could be there, 3 dot could be there, 2 dot could be there, 6 dot could be there, 5 could be there, or 4. Alright. So total outcomes are 6 in a throw of a dice, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now first we have to calculate the probability of a prime number. Prime number is the one which do not have any other factor apart from the same number. Alright. Which have only one factor. Alright. That is the number itself. So here you can see in a single throw of dice, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. Alright. So the number of favorable outcomes will be 3. And we have to calculate the probability of getting a prime number, that is number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. So 3 divided by 6, and once we will reduce it to the lowest, it will be 1 by 2. Next we have to calculate a probability of a number lying between 2 and 6. Now you can see in between 2 and 6 there are 3 numbers, that are 3, 4 and 5. They lie between 2 and 6. So our favorable cases are 3, our total cases are 6. So probability will be 1 by 2. Last is we have to calculate probability of an odd number. Now you can see here in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The odd numbers are 1, 3 and 5. Alright, 3 odd numbers are there. So our favorable cases are 3. Again, our total number of cases are 6. We will reduce it to the lowest and we will get 1 by 2 as the answer. Now let us move to our next question. That is question number 14. Before we discuss question number 14, I just wanted to show you something. So, before discussing this question, we will understand about the playing cards. Alright. So, here you can see 4 types. Total there are 52 cards. "13 of each suit, 13 of each kind." We call it as this shape as diamond. These are diamond cards. These are clubs. This is called as spade. This is the heart. Alright. Heart, spade, club and diamond. In every type of card there are 13 cards that are in which one king is there. We'll show you one. One king is there, one queen is there, then jack is there. These 3 cards are named as face cards. We call them as face cards. King, queen and jack are the face cards. Apart from that, there is ace card, and then from number 2 to 10. Rest of the cards are from number 2 to 10. In this way, we have total 13 cards in a particular group. Alright, so and altogether we have 52 cards. You have to understand it beforehand because a few questions are based on these cards. All right. So you have to remember one more thing, that there are two suits. One are the red suit. So two type of red cards are there. Heart is of red color and diamond is of red color. Whereas spade and club are of black color. All right. Now let us discuss our question. Question is, one card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting. First is the king of red color. As I show you that heart are of red color and diamond are of red color. They are of red color. Alright. So both are having 1 king. Alright. So total favorable cases will be 2. Whereas the total number of cases are 52. So once we will divide 2 by 52, answer will be 1 upon 26. Next is we have to find the probability of a face card. As I told you all that in every pair, 1 king, queen and jack, they are the face cards. So king, queen and jack are the face cards. Alright. So in all together, how many face cards will be there? 3 in heart, 3 in diamond, 3 in club, 3 in spade. So total are 12. So we can say in a deck of 52 cards, king, queens and jacks are called face cards. So there are 12 face cards. So the face cards can be chosen in 12 ways. So our favorable cases will be 12. Alright, whereas total number of cases will be 52. And we will reduce it to the lowest. So we will get the answer 3 by 13. The table of 4 we can cut them. Next is probability of a red face cards. As you all know that heart is of red color and diamond is of red color. So total face cards will be 6. Alright. And the total cards are 52. So probability of red face card will be 6 upon 52, which will be equal to 3 by 26. Next is the probability of the jack of heart. In heart only 1 jack is there. So favorable cases will be 1. Total number of cases will be 52. Alright, and probability is 1 upon 52. Probability of a spade. Now total spades are 13. Alright, including king, queen, jack, ace and number 2 to 10. So total are 13. Probability will be 13 upon 52 and it will reduce in the table of 13 only. So answer will be 1 upon 4. The last is probability of the queen of diamonds. In diamond only 1 queen will be there. So probability will be 1 upon 52. Now let us move to our next question, that is the question number 15. 5 cards, the 10, number 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds. So from diamond the 5 cards are taken. Alright, 10, jack, queen, king and ace are well shuffled with their face downwards. 1 card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that the card is the queen? Alright, we have to calculate the probability of queen. So since we are taking out 5 cards only and there is 1 queen only, so number of favorable cases will be 1 and the total number of outcomes will be 5. So probability of getting a queen will be 1 upon 5. Now second is, if the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace or a queen? Now we took out the queen. Queen is out now. Now we are left with the 4 cards. That is the number 10, jack, king and ace. We have to find the probability of A's. There is only one A's, so favorable cases will be 1 and total number of cases will be 4 and the probability will be 1 by 4. And second, we have to calculate the probability of queen since queen is already out. Means to find the probability of a queen is not possible at all because queen is not there. So probability of an impossible event is always 0. How it comes? You can also write the favorable cases are 0 because queen is not there. Alright, and total number of cases are 4. So 0 divided by 4, answer will be 0. Now next question. Question number 16. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good pens. So 132 good pens are there plus 12 defective pens are there. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is a defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So first we will calculate. We have total number of defective pens 12 and number of good pens 132. So total number of pens are 12 plus 132, that is 144. Now we have to find the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So how many good pens are there? Good pens are 132, means favorable cases will be 132 and total number of cases are 144. So we will divide it 132 by 144 and reduce it in the table of 4. You will get the answer 11 by 12. Last question for today is question number 17. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. So a lot is there of 20 bulbs where 4 are defective. And bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? First we have to calculate this thing. So let us do. Total number of outcomes in this case will be the total number of bulbs. That is, number of bulbs are 20. And defective are 4. We have to find the probability that this bulb is defective. Means we are favoring the defective one. So favorable cases will be 4 because defective bulb are 4 and total number of cases will be 20 because total altogether there are 20 bulbs. So probability will be number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases, that is 4 upon 20. We reduce it in the table of 4 and we will get the answer 1 upon 5. Now in the second part he said, suppose the bulb drawn in first is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? Now once we will, one good bulb is kept aside and the total number of outcomes will be 19 only. Now we have to find the probability of number of good bulbs and number of good bulbs will be 4 were defective, so 15 were good. Alright. So good are 15, probability will be 15 divided by 19. That's all for today. In our next class we will sum up the whole exercise. Thank you all.